Foot long cookie. Time for a small lunch break.
You fat, you ugly, and you stink, monkey.
Meatball sub, spicy chicken sub, honey mustard barbecue chicken. Starting off with the meatball sub. Kind of bland. Into the range. Honey mustard barbecue. Pretty bland. 5 out of 10. Foot long cookie.
Oh my God.
This Vicky's salt and vinegar. 7 out of 10. Into the sandwich. Chips. Ranch. Cheers. Dole lemonade. 9 out of 10. Spicy nacho chicken. A little bit more flavor than the other two. 6.5 out of 10. Cheddar cheese sun chips. Kind of bland. 4 out of 10. Ranch. Salt and vinegar. The cheddar cheese sun. Cheers.